welcome netizens, my dear pranksters. Kasangsangkot ni ako dito'y Baksil, San Fernando, La Union. We just arrived here in the so-called Baksil of San Fernando, La Union. And the sun is still up there. And we just arrived. I'll see you later. Hello again netizens, my dear pranksters. So we're just here, arrived in Baksil, and I am with Manang Pas here on my side. So we're just starting to adapt ourselves to the views, and I'm about to go now to the view deck over there. As I'm here at the view deck, I could see down below some nipa huts to chill out, and you could see the overview over there, the greeneries of San Fernando, La Union. And as I go along, and we could see a lot of eateries, because the local foods such as the pares and the mami over there, arroz caldo, and what have you. There's also sopas, we call it the local soup of in Ilocano. Doon kami sa taas. So, nandito ako sa isang stall na nagtitinda ng cheeseburger. So, ito si Jetro na nagluluto ng burgers with the egg pouch. As you could see. Enjoy! Thank you. I'm now here in the halo-halo stall. So that's the way how they prepare the halo-halo with the colorful ube condensed milk. So you could come and eat and enjoy the food here while you have to see the view deck of the overview of San Fernando, La Union. So I'm here in one of the local game, we call it the pool. So it's just to hire about 5 pesos per game. So localities are now playing here. That's the way how it looks like. The wooden is so natural. So you have a look at the nature of the wood. Thank you. As my 2 nephews chill out, they're playing the so-called pool. And you can see they're trying to out-game each other. So that's the way it is. Here's I'm just here at the green fields where some local goats are eating their grasses. As you could see behind me are some motorcycles, and you could come and reach the place Baksil through motors or some bikes over there. So a lot of bikers coming here and motorcyclists as well. I'm just walking up the cliff and I saw this wooden house above. So I just fancied it and it looks so amazing. Cheers! Yeah, my dear netizens, my dear pranksters. So as I sit down and chill, as I could see the sun now going down, so sunset is nearly there. So we'll wait and see how the sunset here in Baksil. Cheers!
Please, won't you wait, won't you stay, at least until the sun goes down. When you're gone, lose faith, I lose everything I have found. Heartstrings, violence, that's what I hear when you're by my side. Yeah, that's what I hear when you're by my side. But when you're gone, the music goes, whoa, 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 whoa. I lose my rhythm, lose my soul, whoa, 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 whoa. So hear me out before you say the night is over. I want you to know that we gotta carry on. So don't let this be our final song.
Hello again, my dear netizens, my dear pranksters. So I'm here in one of the view deck here in Box Hill, and behind me is, as you could see, is the orange sun nearly going to sunset. And at that point is where the photo point is, and the Thunderbird where we had the vlog last time.
We gon' make the perfect sound. But when you're gone, the music goes, whoa, 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 whoa. I lose my rhythm, lose my soul, whoa, 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 whoa. So hear me out before you say the night is over.
And you could see the difference of the sunset. As of now, it's about 6 o'clock in the evening, and the sun is still up over there. The sunset in Thunderbird was about 6:10 in the evening.
I want you to know that we gotta carry on. So don't let this be our final song.
And here, the sunset will be about 6:12 in the evening, and still the sun still shines brightly as red as you could see behind me. Enjoy the scenery and have a nice time. Hello again, netizens, my dear pranksters. So after our vlog recording, we're now chilling out and having our light dinner of beef pares and some siomai. And we're gonna enjoy and hope to see you later. Bye bye. Hello netizens and my dear pranksters. We just had our dinner and now we're about to leave Box Hill. So it's now quite about 10 minutes past 7 in the night. So our car is ready and bye.